In this video, I'm going to give you a review of another perfume from Swiss Arabian that is called Nawaf. So this is the box, Nawaf, and you can see I'm going to show you the bottle now. So let me show you the bottle. So this is the bottle. I really love the design of the bottle, very unique, a bit Arabian, like you can see some kind of you can say old relic kind of thing you can put on the table. So very strange, you can see kind of bottle design, and I'm going to come up with the smell now. So it is basically tobacco, sweet tobacco-ish kind of smell, and some people say that we smell burnt plastic in it. Yes, there is some hints of that, because for me it is really balanced. It is not on a very dark or heavy or pungent kind of tobacco smells, or like you can see Tom Ford Tobacco Oud or Tom Ford Tuscan leather. It is a bit on the lighter side, like of incensey kind of tobacco-ish tobacco-ish oud kind of perfume. So this is for you. So for me, this is actually the Drydown. I am sniffing it on the tip of this one. So let's spray it now and see how it starts. Sweet, kind of citrusy, light citrus. It is not very citrusy in the start. There is no citrus. Now it has tobacco with some little bit of incense, which is, I think, their oud. Saffron is there. Very nice mix of saffron and tobacco. Sweet tobacco, saffron, oud. A bit uplifting in the start for me. A little bit of fruity. I think it's some kind of you can say flower, or maybe, yes, it's some kind of flower. They have listed caraway, leather and labdanum and saffron in their I have written over here, so just to remind what they have mixed. Really nice. Now it's woody incense, very nice. I think it is synthetic, but still I really love how they have added this incensey wood kind of vibe, or leather plus burnt incense. That is right now what I'm smelling. Leather plus burnt incense or agarwood. Really nice, really nice. Very a little bit of different direction from Tom Ford Tuscan leather and oud, tobacco oud. I think it is not creamy, or not you can say milky, or not very you can say very pungent tobacco. Tobacco is very light over here. It is not on the face, or tobacco cloud that you are roaming in a tobacco cloud. It is not like that. It is sweet, incensey, light tobacco. Yes, there are hints of burnt plastic, but it is not too powerful that you are going to, totally reject it. Maybe if your nose is very sensitive. For me, it is really well blended, really nice, balanced. So I think I would give it like 7 out of 10 for the perfume, and considering the price, I think you can give it a 8 too. And power, I think it is going to last like 5 or 6 hours, no more than that. Maybe on clothes it is going to stay a whole day long. Yes, it is Arabian. So if you are into Arabian, Oriental, leathery, saffron, incensey kind of perfumes, this is for you. This Nawaf is for you. It is, if I describe it in simple manners, I think it is incense, burnt incense or wood with some leather, saffron, and some orients, maybe some oriental kind of flowers or things like that. So it is basically oriental, leathery and incensey perfume. So you can see this is the juice inside it. And for me, I don't like too much heavy kind of tobacco scents or very pungent or in your face tobacco sprays. So I really enjoyed this one. There is another one I have, it also has tobacco, which is Shamouk al Ghatra. This is a different one. I'm going to review that soon. So I really enjoyed this one. If you are into kind of perfumes that are you can say have tobacco, orient, leather, and on the incensey sweet side of Arabian kind of touch, this is for you. So that is my simple review about this perfume from Swiss Arabian, which was Nawaf. I really enjoyed this one, and I hope if you are into tobacco scents, you do give it a try. It is not very costly. I hope you have enjoyed my review in simple terms, whatever I can say about this perfume. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can always give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Make sure you share it with others, like and subscribe. I will see you soon in another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.